Activity 1. Holding a falling stick. Aim. To observe how a person responds to stimuli. Materials required. Scale. Procedure. Take a long scale or a stick which is around half a meter. Ask a person A, to keep his fingers in holding positions as shown. Ask another person B, to hold the stick at one end and keep the other end between the person's fingers of the person A. Ask them to maintain a small gap of centimeter between the thumb of a person A and the stick, and also the stick and the forefinger. Now, ask the person B to let it fall and person A to hold it. Repeat this experiment for another person C. Observation. It is observed that person A responds to the change created by the person B. So the person C. Conclusion. This happens because muscles respond to change in the stimuli.